Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel RideNexus and subscribe my YouTube channel. The custom SUV icon, the Lexus LX700H. The vehicle you are seeing is the flagship luxury SUV from Lexus. The LX700 hours, but with an aggressive, custom wide body kit. This modification transforms the already imposing LX into a true road monster, featuring dramatically flared fender arches, a custom rear diffuser, and large performance exhaust tips. This look emphasizes power and exclusivity. An aggressive stance. The standard LX has a sophisticated design, but the wide body kit, often from tuners like Liberty Walk or Wald, gives it a unique, hyper-aggressive stance. Notice the full-width taillight bar, which is a signature of the modern Lexus design language, connecting the sharp, low-shaped LED lights. The custom bodywork is complemented by oversized, wide-set wheels that fill the new arches, suggesting tremendous road presence and grip. Hybrid powerhouse. The LX700H. The LX700H is powered by a twin-turbo V6 hybrid engine. This powertrain delivers an impressive 457 net combined horsepower and a massive 583 pounds FD.